The gender in Russian only depends on the way you spell a word. That's it. The actual object doesn't have anything to do with it. For instance, this is potatoes. In Russian, you can call it картофель or картошка, whichever you like. There is no difference. Картофель is masculine and картошка is feminine. So you will use the appropriate gender depending on the word that you choose. Это картофель. Он очень вкусный. Or это картошка. Она очень вкусная. You just said the same thing, but in two different ways. There is no difference. Another good example is a photo. Фотография, a photograph, ends in я, so it's feminine. Она. Фото, a photo, ends in о, and it's neuter. Оно. Фотография, она. Фото, оно. Это моя любимая фотография. Или это мое любимое фото. Same object, but a variety of names. Therefore, can be different gender based on what you call it. So, objects are not feminine, masculine, or neuter by themselves because of their nature. No, their gender might depend purely on the word you choose to call them with.